Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of First Impressions. P.S. This is not a sponsored video. So today, I am going to review this Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint infused with vitamin C. This is one of the newest launch of Maybelline, and this is creating quite a hype in the market because it is infused with vitamin C. It's skincare and makeup both. And you can find this in the market for just 399 rupees. So I have shade 1 and 5 here with me, and I'll be trying these on and see which one is going to suit my skin tone the best. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first, I'm going to try shade 01. And first, let me talk about the packaging. It's very light and compact and travel friendly. And I see some really skin friendly things here. For example, it is non-comedogenic, which means it will not clog your pores, and it is quite safe for acne prone skin as well. And it also says that it's suitable for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, so let's find out after we apply this. I'm just gonna take some on the back of my hand. Okay, so I am going in with shade 01. I think it's a bit light for my skin tone, but I don't know. Let's see. The consistency is not too thick, not too thin. It's quite in the middle. Let me blend it with my hands. So this tint also has SPF 50, but I would still suggest you guys to wear sunscreen first because that's what my dermat suggested me. Even if your foundation or your makeup has SPF 50, it is always advisable to prep your skin with sunscreen first. So do not skip your sunscreen before your makeup. All right, it's blending quite easily. It's not giving me full coverage, and it's not light coverage. It's somewhere in between. I think this is going to be perfect for everyday makeup look. You can still see my blemishes. It won't cover it. Cover the forehead area, but it will give a natural glowy skin tint kind of effect to the skin. I will use this for everyday use. So I think shade 01 is perfect for neutral skin tone types like mine. It is giving me that healthy, dewy, glowy look, which I like. It's not looking too cakey and too dry. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a foundation at all. Yeah, skin feels so light. Can you see the difference, guys? I mean, I actually like it. I mean, to cover my blemishes, obviously I'll be needing some concealer, but for everyday use, it's perfect. I like it. So let's try shade 5. This is a warm tone and a bit dark. I think 05 is my perfect skin match. It doesn't even seem like I'm wearing anything. Yeah. As you can see, there is not much of a difference, but shade 05 is definitely for the warmer skin tone, and 01 is for neutral to cool skin tones. If I were me, I would mix both of these and wear it. I think that would be the perfect shade for me. But if I had to choose between 1 and 5, it would depend what kind of look I'm going for. If I want to look a bit tan and achieve that sun-kissed look, I would definitely go for number 5. But if I want to do a Korean makeover or want to look a bit fair, one tiny shade lighter than my skin tone, not more than that because you just end up looking like a clown, I would choose 1. And for everyday use, I would just mix up 2, but right now with my outfit and everything, I would choose number 5, definitely. Overall, I like these because it is not too heavy on the skin, and of course it is infused with vitamin C. It's perfect for daily use. I mean, I would use this every day, but choosing your perfect shade online would be a bit tricky. So yeah, 1 is definitely on more of a neutral and cool tone, and 5 is of more warmer shades. And you can find varieties of shades online. Definitely recommend this if you would do an everyday look because it does not cover blemishes and pigments. For a natural everyday look, this would be perfect. And this was it for today's episode. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Select by Pinkfella. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you found it helpful, please do not forget to comment down below. And I will see you very soon. Bye!